This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Kia Sportage door cover. First, ensure you have the right tools, typically a Phillips head screwdriver and a plastic pry tool. It's also a good idea to roll your window all the way down. This provides more clearance and makes the process smoother. Next, take a moment to identify any small plastic covers that might be hiding screws on the door panel. Now, let's get to those hidden fasteners. You'll often find a screw cover in the small storage compartment on the door. Gently pry this off with your plastic tool to reveal a Phillips head screw. Unscrew and remove it. Then, carefully remove the cover located behind the interior door opening handle to access another screw. Be gentle to avoid any damage. With the screws removed, the door panel is primarily held by clips. Starting from the bottom edge, use your plastic pry tool to gently pop these clips free. Work your way around the perimeter of the panel, applying steady pressure. Once all clips are disengaged, lift the entire door panel straight upwards. This action will release it from the window channel at the top. Finally, with the panel loose, you'll need to disconnect any electrical connectors for components like power windows or speakers. These usually have small tabs to press before pulling them apart. Also, carefully detach the door handle cable from its mechanism. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your car and home spotless. Reassembly is simply performing these steps in reverse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.